Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make seasoned fries or spice fries. So this is how I like to cut my potatoes. First is that I remove the edges of the potatoes so I could have a flat base, and then slicing it into thinly sliced or something like this. And after that, I'm just slicing it into fries or matchsticks or however thin or thick you like it. I use roasted potato here and I leave the skin on because that's my personal preference, but you could definitely remove or peel off the skin of the potato. But for me, the skin gives like a rustic look and also gives an additional flavor to the fries. After cutting the potatoes, I soak it in a cold water for about an hour to 3 hours to remove the surface starch of the potatoes, so I would have a crispier fries. For the seasonings, I have 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Mix it all together until everything is nicely combined. After about a few hours of soaking the potatoes, I remove the water from it and I just wash it off or rinse it off with another cold water to remove the extra starch. And for the seasoning of the potato fries, just nicely combine the soaked potatoes together with the cornstarch mixture and mix it all together until every piece is coated with the seasoning. And now we're ready to cook. Put enough oil for deep frying to the pot. And when the oil is hot enough, gently put in the potato fries. And as you can see here, I am moving each fries on the first few seconds so it will not stick next to each other and to the bottom of the pot. Make sure not to overcrowd this and just cook it in batches. I cooked mine for about 5 minutes at medium heat and I set it aside for about 10 minutes until I am ready for the next step. I always do second fry or double frying to my fries because it gives me a crispier outcome. So I cook mine again for another 5 minutes at medium heat before I serve it. And now we're done with our seasoned potato fries. This is so crispy and so good. I just added a little bit of parmesan on top and I served it with ketchup and lemonade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Bye!